I just finished a video ledge jumping, and I thought afterwards there's a bit more I'd like to add to this, but I think I'll keep the video as is, and I'll just look into making this video just adding a bit more to it, really. So I thought it's a bit empty, so when you jump, it doesn't make a sound. I'd quite like it to play a sound. I wanted to do some kind of whoop. So that led me to look and try and find out how I would play a sound here, but I don't want to have it just a set sound. I'd like it to be a parameter if possible, and surprisingly, I found this bit of code. I don't know if it works, so I'm gonna have to investigate. So let's just set it up as if it was real, and then, well, I guess I can save this and then try. I don't need to do any further setup. Oh, wow. Okay, great. This is really cool. Um, all right, so let's go jump sound effect. Sound effect play. Okay. So this would be great, but then I had another idea. Well, I want to decide how far should someone jump? Um, what if it's not just one thing like this? Say it's a cliff. You want them to jump off a cliff or something. Yeah, using something like this. So now it's going to be you press on here and it goes 1, 2, 3. So you go 1, 2, 3 onto the ground. Well, you could just have a ledge jump distance. And then we'll say, well, that's 3 now. So you jump 3 instead of just the usual 2 or whatever it was. But then if I do that, well, all these are no longer working and you can't just jump one space. So I thought this kind of needs a whole restructuring. Instead of having one region ID, why not have a way that I can set up multiple regions, each with their own jump sound effects, each with their own jump distance? And I think that's the ultimate goal here, really. Let's see. I want to ask AI again if it can show me how to do a struct, because I'd like a struct where you can create an array of structs, and inside the struct will be a region ID, maybe even a threshold, a jump distance, and a sound effect for each jump or for each ledge. A parameter that is an array of structs. Should have done this before in another plugin, but yeah, I don't really remember a lot of the syntax. But again, you don't really need to remember a lot of the syntax, especially if you're not using it all the time. Okay, so let's see if we have this thing here at the bottom. Param is going to be ledge definitions. The description is going to be an array of data for each type of ledge. There we go. It's going to be a struct for ledge definition. And then I need to create this struct thing here. It looks like I maybe need to have it as its own piece of code here. Kind of strange. Ledge definition. So the param here, this is going to be region ID. And jump distance. Oh, now they go to the threshold first. Alright, so this is the whole struct, and let's see if it's working and if we can start adding. Is this all what we think it should be? Ledge definition, maybe just go lowercase for that. Okay, let's see. How does it look? Ledge definitions, we come in here and we get the array, we click, ID 1, distance is 3, you can select the sound effect. That's sorry if that made your ears bleed, but I need to do it again. Okay, we'll go for that one. You know what, distance, this is going to be I wonder if this is the multiplier essentially. If we go, we're standing here and we go 1, 2. So we'll go 2. And then let's add another one actually. So we'll say the region is going to be 2. Jump distance is going to be, yeah, I guess that's fine. And we'll pick the other jump sound. So we go 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay. So that region is 2, I think I said. It's going to be here. But the idea here is that you won't be able to do it from this side. We're assuming this is blocked off for some reason. Yeah, this is lovely. Okay. So now everything's broken. Yeah, we need to look through these definitions and see if any of them are the ledge ID. Okay, so we need to say const ledge definitions equals parameters dot ledge definitions. And I would like to just console log this out, see how we use it. This stuff's going to break. I hope it doesn't stop the game from running. Okay, here we go. How do we parse this out? Just JSON? Is that just JSON? Okay, so the raw list should be parsed, it looks like. Um, or we'll just default to, oh, looks like, okay, it's saying it wants to parse this. I see, yeah. So when we get the ledge definitions, this is going to be a string, and that's the purpose of us parsing this. So even if we want an empty array here, we still need to give it as a string so that parse has something to do. But then it looks like each entry is also JSON stringified. So this is saying what you want to do is grab ledge definition array equals, you take the ledge definitions and you map each definition and then just parse it. Okay. That's a very nice and neat way of doing it. Let's see, ledge definition array. Let's see what we get out. Oh, straight away, array 2, and inside we've got a lovely way of just immediately getting what we want. These are strings, so we need to probably we need to cast that as soon as we get it. Uh, yeah, I kind of want to do that straight away. So let's see, ledge definition array. Let's see, can we just do that straight in here? I don't know if this is good or bad practice. So let's see. Ledge jump distance is equal to ledge definition dot ledge jump distance, but as a number. Now, can we do this with a const? Let's have a look. So nothing happened here, which means it probably broke. Okay. If I take this out, does it still work? Is it just this whole thing it doesn't like? Yeah, it could just be the fact that we've got code out in the middle of nowhere with nothing around it. That's maybe the problem. Because this is essentially just setting up declaring variables, but this is just running code, so it probably doesn't like it for that reason. When the game player first starts, we can maybe initialize it here somewhere. Init ledge definitions. This dot init ledge definitions. Let's see if it likes this or not. Hmm. Oh wait. Oh, hold on. It's because I took the console log away. Okay. Ledge definition array. Let's just console log this out. Okay, let's see. All right, it's a number now. Sweet. So we'll do it for the threshold. We'll do it for region ID. And this is probably a better way of doing it anyway, rather than just having it in here. So that's fine. So let's see. Ledge jump threshold. Now, region ID. Is that what it was called? Ledge region ID jump threshold. Jump sound effect. ledge region ID. All right, let's just double check, make sure it's what we want. All right, good. This is a string, which is fine. These are numbers. Great. So now we want to probably have a function game player is, you know what, this should probably be its own thing here. We'll do var ledge jumping equals ledge jumping or empty thing. Ledge jumping dot is region a ledge, pass in region ID. And then we need to loop through, well, we need to filter an array. So let's say const region, yeah, ledge definitions equals ledge definition array dot filter, and we're going to filter out the ones that if the region ID matches, essentially. So then we say we can return ledge definitions dot length is greater than 0. So we're looking through the array and saying only take the one, or we're maybe saying don't take the ones with that, as in filtering out rather than filtering in. Let's see, ledge definitions dot length. Or just ledge definitions, and we'll try running this somewhere. One, then we'll do 2, and then we'll do 3. So it should say true, true, and false. Oh yeah. So that says ledge region 1, ledge region 2, and then nothing. So that works good. So let's see. So region ID is no longer this is no longer a thing, ledge region ID. What we want to do is say if is regional ledge, pass in this, okay, and the last at region equals that, then we add 1, and we'll do the same thing here. We set the jump, we jump. So this is going to be different, and we need to get the ledge distance, ledge jumping dot get distance. You know what, get jump distance. Let's not be lazy. Get jump distance, pass in a region ID. It should only run this if this is passed, so I think it should be fine to just do this again. If ledge definitions dot length is less than or equal to 0, that's just a catch-all scenario case of saying if it's nothing, we'll return 0. Otherwise, we're going to return ledge definitions 0, ledge jump distance. You know what? I kind of don't like this. I want to just say ledge jumping, get ledge definition, and we'll pass in the region ID here. So we filter and then say if the length is 0, we'll return null because we found nothing. Otherwise, we will return the one that we did find. So get jump distance, we can just do ledge jumping dot get ledge definition. If ledge definition is nothing, we'll return 0. Otherwise, we will return ledge jump distance. Get jump threshold. It's going to be essentially the same thing. But instead we'll make it really high just so that it never reaches. Ledge jump threshold. So let's go back to down our code and see where we actually need to update this. Okay, there's threshold here. So this is no longer a thing. We use this twice, so I'm going to catch it in a variable that says is region a ledge, and then we'll just reuse this multiple times instead of making it calculate twice. That's just a bit of efficiency. Ledge jump threshold is going to be now. I am aware this is running a lot, so we maybe don't want to be doing too much of this stuff anyway. We may want to just grab the ledge data or the ledge definition at the start, and then instead of running these checks, we can simply just see if the ledge definition exists or not instead of running that. Well, let's see. So at the bottom again, yeah, you know what? We've done this a lot, so we may as well just say ledge definition equals ledge jumping dot get ledge definition, and then pass in the region ID. So instead of if is it a ledge, we just say if ledge definition exists. Instead of grabbing the threshold like this, we will grab it from the ledge definition dot jump threshold, and then we can get the distance from in here. Ledge jump distance equals ledge definition dot jump distance. Let's multiply it by that. Right, is this working without the sound effects? Ledge jump threshold of null. I see. If ledge definition Hmm. Yeah, how do we catch this? Maybe we can skip out early if we don't need to do any of this. Hmm. Maybe just here. If ledge definition doesn't exist, then we will just run this and then return, and then we don't need to worry about any of the rest of it. And then we can get rid of this, just say that. Okay, this is fine now. Okay, great. We jump over small ledges, and we jump down the big ledges. Woo! Very cool. So now we just need sound effects. How do we do sound effects? Quick, quick, quick. Running out of time. So again, I've found this line thanks to AI because I've never really went into doing sound effects. So it could be nonsense. The line might not work, but let's give it a try. Audio Manager, play sound effect. So if we want to find that, be in here somewhere. Oh, we're already here, it looks like. Play sound effect, and you pass in a sound effect. Name is going to be sound effect jump sound effect equals ledge definition jump sound effect. I don't know about any of this. We can change that, whatever, but maybe make it a bit quieter. Okay, let's see. Will it play one sound effect jumping over this and a different one? Cool. Lovely. That's it. That's all the changes I wanted to make. It's quite drastically different because you can set up all different kinds of ledges to jump over now. Big improvement. Again, thanks for watching. It's really nice getting comments from you guys and stuff. So I hope you're learning a lot and keep coding, keep coming up with stuff, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.